Upgrading your windows is one of the most effective ways to improve your home's comfort, appearance, and energy efficiency. For homeowners in Pasadena, choosing custom replacement windows offers the flexibility to create solutions that perfectly match your home's style and your everyday needs. Instead of settling for standard sizes and designs, custom options allow you to tailor every detail for maximum performance and visual appeal. One of the biggest advantages of custom replacement windows is the ability to fit your home precisely. Not all window openings are created equal, especially in older Pasadena homes where settling or unique architectural designs may have altered original dimensions. Custom windows are built to exact measurements, ensuring a snug fit that eliminates gaps, improves insulation, and enhances overall performance. Style selection is another key benefit. Custom windows come in a wide variety of styles, allowing you to choose options that complement your home's design. Whether you prefer the clean look of picture windows, the ventilation of double-hung or casement windows, or the architectural appeal of bay or bow windows, customization ensures your windows enhance both function and aesthetics. In Pasadena, where homes often reflect a mix of traditional and modern influences, this flexibility makes a noticeable difference. Material choice plays an important role in durability and maintenance. Homeowners can select from materials like vinyl, wood, fiberglass, or aluminum. Vinyl is a popular choice for its low maintenance and energy efficiency, while wood offers a classic, natural look. Fiberglass provides strength and resistance to temperature changes, and aluminum delivers a sleek, contemporary feel. Choosing the right material ensures your windows perform well in Pasadena's climate while matching your design preferences. Glass options are another area where customization shines. Energy-efficient glass packages, such as double or triple pane glass with low E coatings, help regulate indoor temperatures by reflecting heat while allowing natural light to enter. This is especially valuable in Pasadena, where sunny days are common. You can also choose tinted or frosted glass for added privacy, or decorative glass to create a unique visual feature. Frame colors and finishes allow you to personalize both the interior and exterior of your windows. Whether you want a bold contrast or a subtle, coordinated look, custom windows can be designed to match your home's color palette. Inside, you can choose finishes that complement your decor, creating a seamless and polished appearance throughout your living space. Ventilation is another factor to consider when customizing your windows. Different styles offer varying levels of airflow, and combining multiple window types can create a balanced solution. For example, pairing fixed picture windows with operable casement or double-hung windows allows you to enjoy both expansive views and fresh air. This approach helps you design a system that meets your comfort needs year-round. Energy efficiency is one of the most important benefits of custom replacement windows. With precise measurements, advanced materials, and high-performance glass, custom windows help reduce air leaks and improve insulation. This leads to more consistent indoor temperatures and lower energy bills. For Pasadena homeowners, this means a more comfortable home without over-relying on heating and cooling systems. Security is also enhanced with modern custom windows. Reinforced frames, durable glass, and advanced locking systems provide added protection, giving you peace of mind while maintaining the look you want. Another advantage is the ability to address specific needs within your home. Whether you want to reduce outside noise, increase natural light, or improve accessibility, custom window options allow you to prioritize what matters most to you. This level of personalization ensures your investment delivers long-term value. Professional installation is essential to getting the most out of your custom windows. Even the best designed windows need to be installed correctly to perform as intended. Experienced installers ensure proper sealing, alignment, and insulation, maximizing both efficiency and durability. Ultimately, custom replacement windows give Pasadena homeowners the freedom to create solutions that fit their homes perfectly. From design and materials to performance and functionality, every detail can be tailored to meet your needs. If you're looking to upgrade your windows, going custom is a smart choice that combines style, comfort, and long-term value. With the right options and expert installation, you can transform your home into a space that feels brighter, more efficient, and uniquely yours.